Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer. I'm going to teach you how to crack your lower back tailbone section by doing the crossover twist technique. Let me show you how it's done. First of all, you cross your leg on the other side, like so. This leg stands still, the other leg goes over, crossover, and then your upper body twists to the opposite direction. And you're looking at the opposite direction. Now the tricky part is you bring your pants low to your waist, and you see this belt loop, this belt hole, or this belt holder. Use it as a leverage to pull yourself forward this way. And then use your other hand and place it behind your buttocks, right here, and then push. So you pull and push at the same time. So count to 3. Okay, holding that same position, twisting this way with your leg crossover, and then you push on a 3rd count. 1, 2. Same for the other side. Leg stand still, cross over, and then hold the loop belt. Put your hand on your buttocks as a push and a pull. And then 1, 2, 3. Alright, and that's how you do it. Please consult your doctor, physician, physical therapist. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.